Hello Team Bella and welcome to the channel. It's me, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here with a plan with me in my classic dashboard layout. Before we get started, a few reminders. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Also, make sure you comment below and let me know if you're ready for 2021. Is that lineup ready? Have you moved into your planners already? Have you started setting them up? And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would absolutely love to have you here. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget about that notification bell so that you are in the know anytime I upload new content. I am super excited about my spread this week. This is how my spread turned out last week. The affirmation of the week is I am in control of how I react to others. That was my affirmation. And, you know, even though work is very stressful and hectic nowadays, keeping this in mind, the only thing that I can control in the situation is myself and how I react to other people, other outside catalysts outside of me. So therefore, I'm in control of that. And I'm glad to say that I was able to keep calm, cool, and collected last week. So, yes. Alrighty. So we are going right into plan the week of December 21st through the 27th. And I decided to pull out stickers from the lovely Snow White. This is not Snow White. Cinderella from the Disney Princess sticker books. And the reason why I chose I was going to call her Snow White again. The reason why I chose Miss Cinderella was because her stickers and her color reminds me of cold and winter. And guess what? Winter has finally made it to North Carolina. And we had a really cold week this week. I didn't look to see how we are going to be going into next week. But I can certainly tell you that this week has been a doozy, has been cold. And I hate cold weather. Absolutely hate it. Okay, so boom. That is what we're going to do. We're going to cover those up. I'm also going to bring in this, this Uniball Signo just so I can cover up the line in the planner. Y'all know I don't like that line. So I'll just save us some time and we'll go ahead and cover it up. My Uniball Signos, I haven't bought any in a while. I have new ones coming. They actually will arrive tomorrow. You guys know the mail is a little slow, and even Amazon has been running a little slow around here. Okay, I'm gonna get this other one that I have, see if it'll do any better. Yeah, this one is working fine. It's almost as if you have to like hit it for it to work. And I just don't understand. That's not normal Uniball Signo behavior because it's such a juicy pen and normally it just works. All right, whatever. We're gonna get moving. All right, so let us grab these stickers. I'm gonna start here with this left side and we're gonna bring this Cinderella in her ball gown right here. And I think it's gonna be so pretty as long as we don't have lines showing through, and we don't. Is that not gorgeous? It's so cute. And then this sticker says, do what makes your heart sing. And we're gonna place that right kind of here. All right. And then there's these little sparkles that I thought would be cute to add to the situation. Like one right here, like close to the quote, right? And I just saw that I have to bring this up. It's coming up. It's gotta come up. Because I have to either white out over this or white out or get one of these pens to work. So let's see what it's gonna be. Hopefully it's getting the pen to work. Thank goodness the pen is working for us. All right, so I'm good with that, perfect. And then we now have this, and then I have this little piece right here to also put here. For the affirmation this week, I'm going to write it here where this little sticker. Okay, let's see what I have going on right here. Don't want to tear my sticker. And okay, so it is just as I thought. Okay, we're gonna bring this blue right up here. And then we're gonna put this, leave a little sparkle everywhere you go, and it'll just go down here. It'll be perfect. I'm not going to cover up the, I'm not covering up the dot grid. I don't mind that is kind of peeking through that. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna come over here to this side, grab this little blue box and cover up where it says to buy right here. I'm still going to write to buy there, but I wanted to make sure I incorporated that colorful box. And then we're gonna grab this gorgeous silver checklist, and we're gonna lay it here to incorporate some more silver, okay? And then this bottom box here, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cover that in. Yes, okay. Okay, that is beautiful. All right, let's move to this side. We wanna ensure that we are bringing all of our colors on both sides. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this, but I really needed to get right. Okay. And then I layered this blue colorful box on top of that because I thought it was cute. And then this little Cinderella that says remember. And we're going to kind of place her like on the box, kind of, sort of. Okay. And then this clear little bird I thought would be cute down there, but it might be cuter coming up this way. Okay, very good. Then next we have a silver checklist that we are going to just put right here. I think that will be cute. And I really am a fan of less is more. So bringing Cinderella in on this page, but not over complicating or overdoing our spread. I see that I did forget one thing, one colorful box. I forgot a silver colorful box for my hexagon. So we are going to grab our hexagon. We're gonna put her, actually we're gonna put her right over here. Okay, and then we're gonna put our silver box, colorful box, like right there to cover that up. And then we also have this cute little floral we can put in this corner right there. Okay, now we are moving down and we have a glass slipper in this little box. Again, with those blues giving me winter vibes for sure. All right, we're gonna put this little shoe right there, little glass slipper. And we're gonna lay this here. Then down at the bottom, I thought this would be really, really cute to add Cinderella, like right here to this box. And then save our precious, precious space by putting this colorful box kind of on top of her. All right, let's see. But I don't want to hide the detail of her shoe missing there. Her slipper, her glass slipper missing. Okay. All right. Then here on this side, we can put this shoe right here. And then on the bottom, not adding any pops of silver to this one. We're gonna put this right here, and we're gonna layer our self-care sundae right there. And I think that is cute. If there was one thing that I would want to add is right here. I feel like since I covered everything else up there, it's probably only right that we cover up this bills to pay as well, and just write down our bills that we need to get paid. All right, so that completes our spread today, and it is totally giving me winter/princess vibes. What do you think? Well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.